This stretch of fence I also put in at that same time, and if you can tell, all of the fence posts that the wires hung on are leaning. You probably can't tell on the video, but they're leaning towards me, so they've leaned away from the prevailing winds. There's actually a lot more sail area in a barbed wire fence than you might think. It doesn't look like sails, but it acts like sails. So the reason those posts are leaning is because I put them in there in what amounts to blow dirt, because this pasture area was farmed at one time and it didn't do very well, and didn't ever grow very many crops, and a lot of the soil blew over here towards the ditch, and then of course the county maintains the ditches, and so it ends up being kind of a crown there where I put the fence in a very loose soil. Now over time it's going to stabilize, but when we talk about stabilizing over time, we're talking about, like 100 years or a couple hundred years. So what I need to do here to do this right is I need to pull that whole fence down and come along and replace all of the posts with taller posts that'll go farther down, and then auger in some really deep holes and set them very firmly. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do that this year or not. We'll just have to wait and see.